Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel for this week. And today I just want to share an experience about how I blow my trading account. The level I grow the trading account to, and the mistakes I made. So I'll be sharing all this experience with you, so you won't make similar mistake as well. Although it is very necessary you make mistakes while trying to try something new. Okay, and along the line we learn from mistakes. And at first, all I did was I deposited a sum of $100 into the account. As you can see right about here on the screen, I deposited a sum of $100 in the account. So I was able to grow the $100 to somewhere around 1,005 or so. Yes, I was able to grow the $100 to 1,005, and I withdraw $500 for a contingency plan in case things goes wrong. And along the line I started consuming different information. So in the process of consuming different information, whereby the reasons why I started consuming more information is I need to refine my entries. Okay, and in the process of trying to refine my entries, I started consuming more information. And for me to perfect the information, what I did then was, this basic mistake I did was I did not put in place my risk management, which was something that led to reasons why I had a huge drawdown on the account. So I actually did not put my risk management in place. And another mistake I did was the new strategy that I just got, that I was trying to refine the entry. I'm not perfect. I've not perfect the I've not yet perfect the strategy properly, and I should have take into consideration my my risk management. And along the line, trying to refine, trying to get used to this strategy that I just learned, I end up having a huge drawdown on the account. And now I tend to understand that trying to get a new account, a new strategy work for me, I need to put in place proper risk management, because there will be a lot of try and test in the process of doing it, and there will be a lot of filtering as well. There will be some good information and there will be some bad information that we after making use of those information, I will then try out those information if it will work and it won't work. So in the process, I will need to filter some information out. And what is another challenge that I encountered? And another challenge that I encountered was I was so confident at some stage. Okay, overconfidence really dealt with me. I messed up in that aspect. There are some entries that I saw which at some point I traded what I think. Okay, I traded what I think. Normally the way I get into trade is I always write my plans down before I get into trades and things I need to see in the market. But along the line I was caught off guard. Okay, I was caught off guard, and along the line I traded what I think at some point, because there was this overconfidence that got into me. So that as well got me is part of the reasons why I lost the account. Another reasons why I think I lost the account as well is I was trying to force trade. I did force trade along the line. Which I shouldn't have done as well. Revenge trading. When I had some certain drawdown, I should have just walk away from my laptop, because initially I do have planned for certain amount of money that I want to use. Okay, once the day I had that huge drawdown, I was now looking for what is not hidden in the market, trying to force trade. Along the line, it's result to me losing more of my capital. So I think that's the reasons why I lost this particular account as well. That's the reason why I lost this particular account. And another thing that I will implore you to which are some things that I did wrong as well, is always try as much as possible to, to not try, 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 any new strategy you just got on your live account. Okay, you can do this by trying that new strategy with probably a demo account. Okay, once you can or back testing. Okay, when you backtest that new strategy, the more you backtest that new strategy, once you get used to that strategy, then you can come back to your live account and implement it on your live account. I think those are mistakes that I did on this account, which I will be careful of next time when I'm trying to place trade, which I believe I won't repeat anymore, because the level of discipline that I'm about to put into my trading, such a mistake, I will make sure I don't repeat it, because I'm still going to make more mistakes, because I'm willing to learn more. So the more I trade, there will be a new mistakes that I will make. So the new mistakes will be another new lessons for me. For the previous mistake, I will try as much as possible not to make such mistakes anymore. So having explained all these basic things, and I believe maybe you would have find one or two important points from this information that I shared with you, and I will share with you as well the trades that I took last that actually messed up the account for me, and I truly learned from those, when it comes to some certain experience that it comes with trading. No one can teach you that. So this certain experience that comes with trading, so I think I benefited from this last what's it called, blown account, and I've noted it down as well, and that's pretty much reasons why I blew the account. And another thing is, I'll be taking on a special challenge on myself of taking $100 to $10,000. So I just want to up in on that challenge as well, taking $100 to $10,000, and in the process I'll be documenting every single process, how I from $100 to $1,000. At the long run, blown account is, because it's very important, it will definitely happen on this one, because it's different challenge that I'm working on. So let's see what this challenge will bring on, how long I can take this account. So I'll show you the trades that blow this account as well, so we can all benefit from the mistake I made, and not to repeat the same mistake on your own account. So thank you very much, guys. So let me take you to my chart so I can show you the trades that I placed that blow the account. So this is the trade I took last, the AUD USD trade that I actually took. You can see this was my entry. My entry was somewhere around here. Let me zoom the screen. So my entry was somewhere around here. Okay. My entry was somewhere around here, and my stop loss was above this right about here. My stop loss was somewhere around here, and my overall target was down here. So the price actually did its thing, and failed to respect the level that I thought it would get to. So actually there is another supply level right about here. Okay, there's another supply level right about here, and there is another supply level right about here, I think. So these two supply levels is what the market came to expect. Okay, so the mistake I actually did was adding to my losing positions, because I had to add more positions here. I added more positions here, which is a big mistake, and I will advise you not to add more positions to a losing positions. Okay, you can only add to a winning positions if situations would have the price respect this level and tends to then you can add more positions at the journey of going to our take profits. Okay, so that was actually what happened, and that was the reason why this push right about here. After this this candlestick actually kicked me out from the market, this, because it's a news came out on Thursday. Yeah, it is on Thursday. This actually kicked me out, and when I saw this close inside this range, right about here, I thought price was it's just to a liquidity run. After this candlestick close, I entered another position there, but this is what it is. It's just part of trading process. It happens. You win some, you lesson. So that's just pretty what actually happened last week. That's what actually happened last week. This trade, made me lose the account, but it is what it is. I still have some, like $500 that I kept for the contingency plan. So I'll be taking $100 back to the market, just see where I can grow the $100 to. Then from there, we pick up another challenge. So that's just what I want to show you. And as you can see on the screen, this is the history of the account that I lost. So this is the history of the account that I lost. This is the history of the account that I lost. See, from the beginning. So you see the winning trade, you see the withdrawals, you see every basic entry from it till the account got blocked. So that is it for it. So I just want to share this story with you, so you can be careful when you taking a trade, and things you don't do. Your risk management is very important. And if you're learning a new new entries, or a new you're working on new information, your risk management can only help you not to blow the account and not make a similar mistake you were made in the market. So that's that for that. I just want to share these basic things for you, so you can derive some basic information for it, so you can use this lesson to guide yourself, so you don't make similar mistake. There is no way we can do it for you. Losses happens in forex market, but the most important thing is not to lose your account, but it's just part of the process. And guys, so I want to say a big thank you to you guys for sticking to the end of this video. I will see you in my next video. So bye guys.